Changing a wheel is a crucial skill for vehicle maintenance. Let's learn how to do it step by step. Start by ensuring safety measures. Park on a flat surface, engage the brake, and use wheel chocks if available. Prepare your tools: spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Have them ready before starting the process. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire before lifting the car. This step prevents the tire from spinning later. Position the jack correctly under the frame near the flat tire. Consult your manual for the right jacking points. Lift the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is off the ground. Ensure the car is high enough for the new tire. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire carefully. Keep the flat tire aside for now. Mount the spare tire onto the wheelbase, aligning the holes with the wheel studs. Ensure a secure fit. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the wheel studs. Make sure they are secure before moving to the next step. Lower the vehicle slowly using the jack until it touches the ground. Ensure a smooth and controlled descent.